In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable Tap to Wake on your iPhone. This enhances convenience by allowing you to quickly check notifications or unlock the phone with just a tap, without pressing physical buttons. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, head to Accessibility. On the Accessibility page, you will want to select on Touch. Now to enable Tap to Wake, make sure to enable this option. Now when turned on, to simply awake your phone, you will just have to simply tap onto the screen instead of pressing on the side buttons. Well, this feature can also help preserve the lifespan of buttons and improve accessibility for users who find it easier to interact with the screen than with buttons. That's how easy it is to enable Tap to Wake on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.